Hey everyone, it's Jim with RVing My Way. We just got back from a big trip and I made some changes before we went. And our Grand Design Reflection has a tire pressure monitoring system that's got a beeper that goes off in the cab, but then you don't have a reference to what, you know, which tire is doing what the pressure is, the temperature or whatever. So I went back to what I had originally installed on our original trailer, which is this TPMS system here. They're not paying for anything. I'm just making this to help. Maybe somebody else can get this information, would be helpful to them. So if you know that you have one of these tire pressure monitoring systems, there's a monitor that goes in the cab. There's the valve stem monitors that send the signals out, but also underneath the trailer between your tow vehicle and the trailer is a relay system, you know, little antenna system that you have to mount, and you got to hook it up to a 12-volt battery with alligator clips like this. Well, on my trailer, using these wound up corroding the battery terminals pretty bad, and I thought, I'm not doing that again, especially since I put it on this new trailer. So I hardwired it in. Well, okay, that's fine, but it also allows that little green indicator light on that transmitter that goes from the sensors to the cab to be on all the time. We were in one place where we were parked for a couple of days and not plugged in and using the trailer, and the battery went dead. So made the assumption that that's probably what it is. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a switch that goes between the wiring on that and the battery, and then I can turn it on and off so that it makes less problems with having the battery run dead. I'm going to use, in order to put this rocker switch in, there's a panel between the propane tank compartment and the front trunk box on the fifth wheel. I'm going to cut a hole in there to match this. So I have made a pattern in order to do that. And then I'm going to go out and drill this and cut this out and install it. So the next step will be going out there. All right, guys, so I've located where the switch is going to go, and I've taped the template up there. Then I'm going to drill the four corners out and use a little saw, and we'll get the square part cut out. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, guys, we got the hole cut in there. We used a Dremel with a little grinding wheel on it, and the switch does fit. So now we're going to go ahead and work on the wiring on the other side and get it through this hole and then finish this job up. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got the wires through the hole and I've got the connectors on there. I elected to do this only on the ground wires. So this switch that I have is actually a light up switch, but it will not light up because I'm not running the 12 volt through it back down to the ground. I didn't want to have another light going on. So anyway, all I have left to do is hook this up and it should work. All right, we've tested it and it works. That's a good thing when things work for you. So all we have left to do is to push this into the hole like that. And now we have a remote switch for our TPMS system. That's it for today's video, and hope you enjoyed. Put your comments down below. If there's anything else I can do for you, let me know. This is Jim with RVing My Way. Thanks.